Alright, well, welcome back to MTG Cards and Reviews. And in this one, obviously, you see I've got my got a new mat in the background here. This is basically from one of the cards from the most recent set. That is going to be Mina Harker. And I thought it was a very cool card, and got it in a basically a playmat form. I got this as part of their Black Friday special. There they had a little bit of a discount going on though, and so I took advantage of it. I'm going to open up 3 more of these set booster packs here that I've got though from basically the box that I've been opening up and sharing here with you guys. And we're going to take a look and see what we get inside here. Got after this I've got 2 more 3 sets to open though, and then we'll be probably going and opening up some more stuff. Blood token here. There is our art card. I believe this is the Dying to Serve, or nope, Undead Butler. The Undead Butler. Now there is our mountain. And we're going to go ahead and basically see what we've got next here. Sigardian's Imprisonment, Unholy Efficient, and we're going to make a adjustment here. Hang tight though while I try to straighten this up just a little bit. Alright, we've got our Traveling Minister, and then we've got our Heroine of Hope. Hero of Hope. Heroine of Hope, okay. And then we've got Wash Away. We've got a Storm Chaser Drake was our next card. And then we've got the Soul Cipher board. And we've got the Blood Sworn Squire. And then we've got our blood, basically, yeah, that's our Blood Petal Celebrant. And we got a rare here. We've got Irith, the Tormented Prophet. Okay. And then we've got a foil here, which is going to be a Markov Retribution. And then we've got our token, which you guys saw, which was the blood token. Alright, we're going to set that aside. We're going to readjust the card positions here just a bit so they stay in focus though. At least the important stuff. The token can be kind of off to the side here. And then I'm going to go ahead and get into this next pack though. I'll be loading up some more videos here after I get these basically filmed. And we've got our art token, or our art card here. Yes, we got an art token. And then we've got our basic land, our planes, and basically the showcase or full art version, which is also in foil though. And we got the Asterwald Shield Basher. We've got our Alchemist Retrieval. And then we've got the Cruel Witness. Markov Purifier. I got that Parasite Grasp, And then we've got our mischievous Catgeist. A cat spirit with a ball of yarn to keep it busy till it gets mischievous. Who has a cat? Who has a cat that, regardless of their age, they do find themselves every now and then being mischievous or getting into trouble? We've got one here. My cat's name is Ozzy, though, and he's an older cat. For the most part, he generally is basically calm. However, there are times where he decides that he wants to either create trouble or cause trouble to get attention, though, and at times has done so by knocking things off, walking where he's not supposed to, and then getting himself tossed out of one of my kids' rooms, though, for that very reason, though. A fearful villager. And then we've got our blood tithe harvester. And then we've got another blood petal celebrant. The next card is going to be a rare. I've got a glorious sunrise. And then we've got basically a foil here. We've got a Self-Off and Tumor. Okay. And then we got our mini game token. Alright. Put that over there. We're going to go ahead and just kind of straighten these up just a bit, though, because they're running away. And we're going to go ahead and move on to the last pack here. So, as we round out this here, we'll basically continue to open some things up, though. I'll be posting those videos, or these videos, though. We've got an insect token here, so we're just going to toss that over so we know that we're not getting any sort of basically special card, though. List card. We got Markov Flotzer. There is our lands. And we've got the Lightning Wolf. And we got our Hunger Ridge Wolf. So a couple of wolves right to start off. Oh, and another wolf. We've got the Snarling Wolf to go with it. And then we've got our Sure Strike. And we've got a Spiked Ripsaw. Spiked Ripsaw. Okay. And we've got our Bramble Worm. And we've got a Radiant Grace. And there's our Gluttonous Guest. And we've got another rare. We've got our Imperious Mindbreaker. Right. Actually, I think that is commander card. Okay. So we've got another rare. We've got the Demonic Bargain. And we got a mythic. Oh, what did we get in the mythic? We've got ourselves the Volatile Arsonist as our foil mythic. And basically another, human werewolf. So I guess that kind of goes with the rest of the opening part of the cards, though. All with wolves. Alright. Well, hey. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for notification, though. We'll continue to open up some more of these packs, though, and share them with you guys, and we'll continue this as I continue to open them up. And have a great day. Don't forget to to basically tell the people that mean the most to you that you care, that you love them. Show that, and give them hugs, kisses. Time is a finical thing around here. You have a good day, guys.